Okay, let's talk about how you can add a chat widget or AI chatbot to a GoHighLevel AI Studio website, okay? So a lot of people are building websites in AI Studio right here. You're going to sign up to GoHighLevel anyway. Why not do it with my own link? You get extra 30-day free trial along with my private community access, free snapshots, and a full system for selling AI to local businesses. You will sign up to GoHighLevel either way. Why not sign up through someone that can actually teach you? And the best part, it costs you nothing extra. The link is down below. So when you go to AI Studio, you will see right here, I just need to allow this, but you will see that we have quite a few websites right here. Now, the thing is, if I want to go and if I want to click on the website and let's say I want to add on this website anything, even like a chat widget, right? I can potentially add that. Now, how can you actually add that? You want to go into your sites, okay? And you want to go, and by the way, before you do this, you want to make sure you have in the AI agents, you want to make sure you have conversation AI, go to the agent list and make sure you have a primary agent right here, which is a conversational AI agent. Once you have that primary set up, go to sites and then go to chat widget. And here, what you want to do is you want to click new, and then you want to just go to a live chat. This is going to be the chat on your website. So click live chat, and then simply you want to go to the, obviously the style you can choose whether you want this or this. Usually you will want this one, and you will need to go to the additional options right here and just make sure you disable this so you can get the code here. Make sure you save it, get the code right here. So if I copy the code, obviously, I want to make sure I saved it. I already did. And I go here and I just want to paste it right here and say, integrate this chatbot on the website, okay? Then you just hit enter. You will need to wait a little bit until this is done. But until this is done, or once this is done, this will be right in here below. And you would be able to see exactly how this looks like. Now, obviously, you know, this can be implemented as well for the voice agent as well. So if you want to implement this exact same thing for the voice agent, again, you want to go to your AI agents, voice AI. You want to make sure you have a voice AI agent, which is, again, a primary one. Obviously, if you have like here a number, you can connect this to a chatbot, which in this case, if you go to sites, if you go to chat widget, you create new, and then you just go voice AI. And then as you can see, this is going to be for the voice AI. So anyone that goes on the website can call you in this case. So we can go and we can, again, add this on the website. And as you can see, we'll have it like this. So currently we have it like this, as you can see, and we can hit publish here and just, you know, make sure we publish this. But currently I don't want to publish this, but if you want, you just go and hit publish. That's pretty much it. And then you will have that right here, okay? Now, again, it's the same thing with, you know, the voice AI. So again, you can do the same thing with voice AI, but again, it's a very simple thing, and AI Studio websites are very simple to create. Now, if you want to see more tutorials, exactly how I'm building these websites from the ground up, you can definitely check out my channel and also check out the 30-day free trial below if you want to, you know, test out GoHighLevel for free for 30 days, because if you click our link below, you will get also some freebies and bonuses, which will help you just sell these AI smart websites much faster and in a much more easier way. So again, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me below in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.